Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff and today we got the Holosun EPS carry in green, MRS version. Today I'll be unboxing and installing it into my SIG P365 X Macro Comp. And if you're interested in seeing what comes inside the box or just watching the installation process, just go ahead and keep on watching. So right here we have the box, and let's just take a look at the outer sleeve. It says Holosun right there, EPS, meaning enclosed emitter. And we got the carry version, so there's a regular larger one and a smaller carry one for concealed carry. Comes in the green reticle, and it comes in the green multi-reticle system, so it comes in with the 2 MOA dot as well as the 32 MOA circle around it, and then the combination of both. Okay, and the EPS stands for, what's it say? Enclosed pistol sight. So there's a front and a back piece of glass, so it keeps it nice and clean inside. Above we just have the Holosun logo. Let's go ahead and take a look at these specs here. EPS carries an enclosed handgun sight designed for narrower subcompact guns. Comes with a RMSC to K footprint adapter. Shake awake technology, so when you pick it up, the reticle just wakes up and it'll be on already and turns off after about 10 minutes. Solar failsafe, so it's got a little bit of solar panels on top, so if the battery's dead, hopefully there's a little bit of charge from the power of the sun there. Up to 50,000 hour battery life. See, all that's stuff I already said. And some measurement stuff there. So let's go ahead and open it. So on the sleeve, we've got a kind of semi-transparent piece of plastic. See if that can get into focus. Right there, Holosun. All right, a little foam padding there. This is the first time I've opened it, so let's take a look. It's got a little kind of card. What is the warranty? Inside is the user manual. And right here, little lens cloth, similar to what you get in some sunglasses. Little snack pack, just kidding, don't eat that. Inside, there's the red dot itself. Okay. Little tape, let's go and get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, very slick and slim here. Let's see if we can take a look at that. Let me put my hand here. Okay. I'll see if I can get any better shots later, and I'll superimpose in this video. Comes with a couple screws here. Online it said that some of the screws don't fit flush, so I did order from Tack Rig, specifically some screws to mount it onto the SIG P365, nice and flush. I'll be comparing. We'll see if any of these kind of match the length of what comes in the box. So this one seems a little too long. This one, a little bit thicker. This one's a little bit longer than this one. Here is the little RMSC to K footprint adapter, and it comes in with a little screw, a torque screw. A little bit closer look there, Holosun logo. The brightness settings and mode settings there. 2 slots where these screws go in. Got your elevation and windage adjustment there, and then the battery compartment. Okay. So let's go ahead and install it into my SIG P365 X Macro Comp. Right, we're back. I went ahead and got some gloves and take down this field stripper right here. Okay. And so we're just left with a slide. And we'll go ahead and take our torque screwdriver and just remove this, that. So these are the little posts that the screws go in. I'm just gonna add a little bit of CLP onto this just so when I do put the EPS carry on it, if there is a little bit of moisture, it'll protect it from any potential rust. So we got some cleanse oil right here. Just a few little dabs. Maybe just 2 dabs there. Might as well spread it through the rest of the slide. Okay. That looks pretty good. Not too much though. Okay. So these are the 2 little screws from Tack Rig, which should let it screw down nice and flush. We got 3 of these here. So that's how it should fit. There is a little bit of wiggle here, so hopefully when I tighten it down, it'll be nice and aligned. Before we put those on, I'm gonna add some Loctite. I say 14, 15 there. Inch-pound of torque. I'm okay with that, 14.5. About 14.8. So there it is right on the slide. I'll go ahead and assemble it again so we can see how it looks fully assembled. And there we have it. I'll go ahead and take some more videos and lop around the apartment just to show you what the optic looks like. Can't really see it from right here. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching all the way through. Here are some close-up shots of the actual EPS carry itself. Something I forgot to mention is that it does have an auto brightness feature where the reticle adjusts to the ambient lighting. You do have the option to turn this off. I have not tested it out enough myself if I want this feature on for my unit. Lastly, here is a first-person POV that I rigged up with my camera. It was kind of tricky to set up and I could have centered the reticle a little bit better. Also, the reticle in real life is slightly larger than what you see in the video here. I might record in this POV in future videos if I try other red dots or optics, and maybe in the range if they allow me. Don't mind the Christmas tree. In February, there's one gift we need to hand out still, and we'll take it down, I promise. Here's a view of the 2 MOA dot itself. If you hold down the minus button for 3 seconds, it switches to the 32 MOA circle. And then next would be the combo dot and circle. Here I bumped up the brightness a few notches. And then back to the dot. If you enjoyed any part of my video, please hit the like and comment what I could do to improve. Subscribe if you want to see more of my gun journey as well as more videos on tech, travel, and lifestyle. Hope you have a good one.